Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the check-in feature on your iPhone. So the check-in feature lets you automatically notify a friend or a family member when you arrive safely at your destination. So if you stop making progress or your battery dies, your iPhone can share important information like location, route, and the battery level. So let me show you how to use this feature. So here, go ahead and open up message. Now you want to go ahead and open up to the person where you want to send the check-in feature. So for example, this one here. Now I'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign. I'll go ahead and scroll all the way down until I see check-in. Tap on this. Now this will basically create me a post here. I can go ahead and tap on edit, and I can go ahead and choose when I arrive or after a timer. So let's say, for example, if I arrive to a certain location, I can go ahead and choose the location. So once I arrive at that location, your iPhone will automatically send the other person that I have arrived. Or you can go ahead and choose after a timer. So here you can go ahead and set a timer of any time, and then you'll be prompted at a certain time. So if you don't respond within 15 minutes, this person will then be notified. So let's just go ahead and choose this and then go ahead and send this. So a check-in timer has been sent to that person. So after that time, you will be notified to check in. If you don't respond, this person will then be notified of your location, your route, and your battery level. So this is a huge safety upgrade. So if you're traveling late at night, walking home alone, or visiting somewhere unfamiliar, you can give loved ones peace of mind without constantly texting updates. So it's discreet, smart, and it's built with safety first. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the check-in feature on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.